Hey, how's it going? This is MinisterGold. This is a mix-up tutorial. This is on how to use multi-word commands. Sometimes you want certain sounds to trigger when users have certain words in, in their message, and this will make it so that you can have multiple triggers, not just for singular words, but also for checking multiple words in a sequence. Excuse me. Before we get into that, if you would like more to see more Mix It Up videos, please like and subscribe to this video, as well as if you appreciate this particular video on Mix It Up. And I stream on Twitch. Right now my schedule's sporadic. I just started a new job. So follow me to see when I stream. I just finished Armored Core 6. I'm playing Donkey Kong Country for the first time. Then I'll be moving on to Bomb Rush Cyberpunk. If you'd like to see that or all the channel redeems that I have using Mix It Up, drop by. We could chat and hang out. And yeah. Alright, so let's get on to this tutorial. So I already have a command made. I'm going to click on the menu in the top left, go to Commands. Okay. The name of my command is sick, but you can call whatever your command you're making, call whatever you want. Okay, and I have 3 triggers here, and actually I don't think I need a space between these two. We can test that out later. And whenever GG or sick or good job is said in chat, it'll play this sound. Sick! Right now, I do not have a cooldown on this, just for testing purposes, but normally I have it set to like 300 seconds. So why don't we test this command out real quick? Let me bring over chat. Okay. Can I clear this? I can't. Oh well. Okay, so I'll go GG. Okay, so that doesn't trigger it. I'll go GG sick. Sick! So yeah, that isn't how it should work actually. So yeah, you do actually have to have the semicolon between these two. Okay, so save. Okay, so GG. Sick! Sick. Sick! Good job. Sick! Okay. Now, if I did not have this semicolon here, this is what would happen. Okay? So if I go good job now, that doesn't work. If I go sick, that doesn't work. But if I go sick, good job, sick! Now that works. So that's why you need the semicolon between each of these. The semicolon means that you want good job to trigger sick. But also you don't want these to be a part of this trigger. So we're just putting the semicolon here to separate each of these. Now one thing I want to try is we'll go hello GG. Sick! Okay, awesome. That still triggers it. So what I was testing is I've set it to wildcards, and what that means is no matter where in the message they use one of these triggers, it's gonna trigger this command. So if I go hello, or here if I go that was a good job, sick! So that still works, and then or dang, that was sick. Sick! That still works. Okay, cool. So yeah, wildcards works. So no matter where these show up in a user's message, it will trigger whatever I have here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how multi-words work. If you have singular words and multi-words, then just assume that every trigger should end with a semicolon, and do not put any spaces between each trigger, because if you do that, if I type in sick now, it doesn't work. It has to be space sick. Oh, not even that, really? What if I go blah space sick? Nope, that doesn't work either. Yeah, so if you put any spaces, it just doesn't work. So yeah, so no spaces, just trigger, semicolon, trigger, semicolon. If you want a multi-word, then word, word. Let's add another, one more trigger just in case. Let's say bang up a job. Sorry, we'll go bang up a job. And semicolon. Bang up a job. Sick! Okay. And if I take off that semicolon, does it still work? Probably not. Oh, it doesn't need the semicolon. It removed it for me. Okay. Wait. So if I type in bang up job, doesn't work. Bang up job. Sick! Okay, so that works. So yeah, if you're gonna have a command that has even one multi-word trigger, make sure you have a semicolon after each trigger and no spaces between triggers. Your trigger itself can have spaces like good job or bang up job. But yeah, don't have spaces after the semicolon. That is how you make a command with a multi-word trigger, or a command that has single word triggers and at least one multi-word trigger. If you have any other questions on how this works, please leave a message in chat. If there are other things you want me to cover on Mix It Up, please also leave that in the comments. And yeah, please like and subscribe if you found this Mix It Up video helpful. And yeah, follow me on Twitch if you'd like to ask me questions about Mix It Up or just chat and hang out. And that's it. All right, have a good one. Adios.